Pippity's first tentative steps into the icy waters and its initial struggles to move forward without any swimming experience. Discuss the challenges Pippity faces while learning to breathe underwater and how it overcomes these obstacles. Describe Pippity's fascination with the underwater world and its first encounters with colorful fish and marine life. Explain the process through which Pippity learns the art of catching fish, from observing experienced penguins to practicing its techniques. Reflect on Pippity's growing confidence and skills as it becomes more adept at swimming alongside other penguins.